Hey guys, Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. Today I want to introduce you guys to the BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 5 battery pack. We designed this battery pack to be smart, super compact, and you guys are gonna see how small it is in a second. And we designed it in a way where it's gonna be super accessible for anyone with a dash cam looking for their first dash cam battery pack. So if you're excited, check this video out. So in this video, I'm gonna go over everything that you're gonna get inside the box, but we're gonna start off focusing on the star of this video, which is the battery pack itself. But let's tell you everything you need to know about the PowerCell 5. So to start off, it's a 51.2 or 4,000 milliamp battery pack for your dash cam. When I said compact, I don't know if you guys expected how compact. This is the PowerCell 5 battery pack. Like I said, it's small. It's got our branding on it. It's got an LCD screen, and it's got a couple of different ports on it. On the front side, you're gonna have 2 USB-A ports and then also 1 Type-C port as well. We have a lot of customers using it to charge their phones, but you could also use it to charge your tablet or your fans as well, or whatever you use in the car. So here's everything that's inside the box. To start off, you're gonna get the PC5 battery pack, and then to help with your installs, you're gonna have an add a fuse kit. You're gonna get 4 Velcro strips secured down your battery pack, the user manual, the unspliced output cable with integrated hardwire input. So this combines the hardwire input for charging the battery with a 3-wire output for all dashcam hardwire kits. So it's got universal compatibility. You also got an option with a socket output cable with integrated hardwire input. So it's the same as the above, but it's for older Blackview models and similar dash cams that automatically enter and exit parking mode when your car ignition goes off. Lastly, there's a CLA input which plugs into its own port, and you can use this for a power inverter as well. And then these little guys right here, that's a crimp sleeve for connecting the dashcam hardwire kit to an unspliced output cable. So you might also be asking, how are these cables different from what's included in the PC8? Well, there's only 2 differences. One is that the PC5 has an integrated hardwire input and output connector and a separate CLA input connector versus the PC8's dedicated input and output connectors. The benefit here isn't a whole lot. The setup is going to be the exact same, but it just means it's 1 less cable coming out of the PC5, so it does allow for a cleaner overall installation. And with the crimp sleeves, obviously, it does replace splicing, so it makes it easier for normal customers to be able to crimp the output cables along with the hardwire kit yourself. So that's everything that's in the box. So the PowerCell 5 battery pack is definitely a great option if you're looking for an entry-level battery pack for your dash cam. But like I said, if you're looking for the best of the best, we still recommend sticking with the PowerCell 8 battery pack, especially for you heavy users who want to make the most out of your parking mode out there. Last but not least, to close off this section, I do want to point out that the PowerCell 5 is still made with lithium-ion technology. So that means that it offers the same thermal stability and protection as the PowerCell 8 battery pack as well, just in a smaller package. The PowerCell 5 isn't meant to replace the PowerCell 8, but it's to provide a more affordable option for those of you looking to get your very first dashcam battery pack. So speaking of the PowerCell 8, let's actually dig in and compare what the differences are between the PowerCell 8 and the PowerCell 5. Right off the bat, I mean, let's be honest, the PowerCell 8 is significantly heavier compared to the PowerCell 5. And that's because the PowerCell 8 is a 7,500 milliamp battery compared to the PowerCell 5, which is 4,000 milliamp. It's about double the size as the PC5. Also, for dual channel systems, for the PC8, you're gonna get up to 35 hours of parking mode protection, whereas for the PowerCell 5, you're gonna get just under 17 hours. It's a bit less parking mode protection compared to the PC8, but you know what? 17 hours is still plenty, especially if you drive every day to work. And for both of these devices, you can even almost double the amount of parking mode protection if you're just using a single channel device. And speaking of sizes, you can see there's a noticeable difference between the sizes for these 2 models, which is where I would definitely recommend the PC5 if you're a European car driver, especially for BMWs, Mercedes-Benz, where you have very little crevice space to hide your battery pack. Oftentimes we do have trouble hiding the PowerCell 8, but with the PowerCell 5, because it's much smaller, it's much easier to hide as well. Did I mention there was a screen on the PC5? Well, in case you forgot, the PC8 does have a smartphone app and Bluetooth built in, so you can always use a smartphone app to monitor, what's coming in or coming out of the battery pack itself and monitor the battery level, etc., etc. With the PC5, it doesn't have Bluetooth built in. Like I said, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles. It's got everything you need to protect you though. On the device itself, you do have an LCD screen. So on the LCD screen, you're gonna be able to tell the voltage level, the battery charge level, as well as any timers that you set to have it automatically turn off. It has a built-in battery management system, so it knows that if it ever overdraws or potentially overheats, it knows that it can turn itself off to prevent damage to your car battery. All the input and output ports on both devices are exactly the same. So installation-wise, it's gonna be very similar across the board. One of the cool advantages of the PC5 is that it does offer multiple USB ports for charging your devices. On the PC5, you get a few more options. You get 2 USB-A ports and 1 Type-C port as well. So you get way more flexibility and options. And I guess that's just the advantage of having a newer model. Last thing I'll mention about the PC5, something I really like actually, it's got a built-in emergency LED light. You turn it on, boom! Look at that, super clutch. But one more time, it turns into a red LED light. Just an extra safety feature if you're ever stuck on the side of the road. Last thing we'll talk about is why you need a dash cam battery pack in the first place. Let's be honest, it's not for everybody, but we definitely strongly recommend it for anybody who's using a dash cam in their car. So just a reminder, dash cam parking mode is a feature that is only available to dash cams that are hardwired into your car. Parking mode allows your dash cam to continue recording even when you're away from the car. So when your car ignition is off, your dash cam continues to record. The problem is that you could potentially exhaust your car battery, especially if your car battery is a bit on the older side. Worst case scenario, you come back to your car one day and you realize that you can't start the car and your car needs to be jump started. Super inconvenient and nobody wants that. With just a hardwired dash cam, you're gonna get anywhere between 3 to 4 hours of parking mode. Now, this is where we recommend a battery pack because with one, you can double or triple that amount of parking mode protection, especially if you're at the beach or you're at work. You park your car there for 8 hours in a day. You want to make sure that your dash cam is continuing to protect you even when you're away, so that if something happens in the latter part of your workday, you're gonna get footage of that and you're gonna know exactly who hit and run your car. Let's close things off with the million-dollar question. Which battery pack do you need? So if you're a budget-conscious driver, want something without all the bells and whistles, and you want something that's compact and you can easily hide in your car, we recommend the PowerCell 5. You get 4,000 milliamp worth of power, you get a screen, and you get an emergency light all in one compact device. Last but not least, if you want the best of the best and you're a super power user and you want to maximize your parking mode protection for your car, then the PowerCell 8, honestly, it's a no-brainer because what you can even do with the PowerCell 8, you can even extend the PowerCell 8 for even more parking mode power by daisy chaining it with Selig-Neal extended battery packs. And you can daisy chain as many of those as you want. This is especially useful for those of you who don't drive that often, or for you van lifers who park for a really long time. Thanks for watching our first hands-on video of our bestseller PowerCell 8 and our new sister product, the PowerCell 5 battery pack. The PowerCell 5 battery pack is now available on the BlackboxMyCar website. And if you're still not sure about which battery pack is right for you, drop a comment below about your specific use case and we'll help you decide. Thanks for watching this video. Drive safe out there.